Hello lovely students, we are going to have a minimum idea about adverbs. Okay? Adverbs say how an action is done. It generally comes after verbs like she speaks slowly, she drives car fast. Okay? And it can be used at the very beginning like normally she has a cup of tea, usually she comes to visit me when she is free. This kind of sentence, okay? But basically I would love to hear more sentences from my students. Okay? From this corner, Ms. Anika, you start.
My father drives motorbike slowly. I love parents completely.
Thank you so much.
I listen to English class actively. She speaks fast. The professor teaches English beautifully.
Fine.
I can talk quickly and I cook nicely.
Thank you, students. Thank you for your good performance. Students, you have already seen your performance, good performance. How is it possible? The more days you are practicing, the more perfection is touching you. অর্থ কি আমি কি বলতে চাইছি, তোমরা যত বেশি প্র্যাকটিস করতেছো তোমাদের পারফেকশন তোমাদের সাথে, তোমাদের ইংলিশের যে ভালো পারফরমেন্স সেটা তোমাদের সাথে আছে. Am I right or wrong? I think that I am right. English is a matter of long practice. You know that it is a long journey. Nobody has been a good or fluent speaker overnight. রাতারাতি কেউ overnight fluent speaker হয় না. Okay? You know that it is not our mother tongue. Bangla is our mother tongue. So what you have to do? You have to practice a lot. And we teachers, we have to make you practice to speak English, and we have to give you the way how we can practice. And the more you will be in a lot of practice, the more perfection you will have. So lovely students, I am very much happy and satisfied with your performance.
Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome.